Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. To perform the soft reset, firstly we should turn off the speaker. At the top of your speaker, at the left side, we have power button. Press and hold power button to turn off it. Here we go. You will hear the prompt also when you turn off your speaker. After that, the speaker disconnected from your phone and we should turn on it. So press and hold power button again and you will see the LED light at the button and you will also hear the prompt. We just turn on it and the speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, just go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list tap at your speaker and then it should reconnect to your phone. With this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!